Hi guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing the Blu-ray of City Slickers. It seems to be a collector's edition on Blu-ray. Here's the spine and here's the back. So let's have a look at the details of the special features. Right, so it says audio commentary by director, bringing in the script, writing City Strikers, A Star is Born, and Ode to Norman, deleted scenes. Okay, and it says English and French audio and English and French subtitle as well. It's region ABC, and the overall Blu-ray runtime is 182 minutes. That will include the special features as well. Okay, it seems to be a comedy western movie. So let me open this up. Okay, so here's the disc. I'm not sure why this is called as a collector's edition. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please click on like and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.